Ever seen a fake Instagram DM screenshot and wondered how it was made? What if I told you, you don't need any app? Just one simple Chrome trick. Step 1. Open Instagram or Facebook in Chrome. Go to your DMs or Messenger and choose the chat you want to edit. Now, right-click on the message you want to change and click Inspect. Double-click on the message content and type whatever you want. Change names, messages, emojis, anything. Want to change the sender's name or even the time? You can. Just right-click on that element, inspect it, and edit the text. If you want to take a screenshot later, press F11 for full screen and press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to hide the inspect panel. Now it looks completely real. No one can tell it's fake. If this blew your mind, hit like and drop a comment saying which chat you're going to fake first. Subscribe for more fun browser tricks.